Black utility sink laundry tub with pull-out chrome faucet, sprayer spout, heavy-duty slop sinks for washing room, basement, garage or shop. Large freestanding wash station tubs and drainage bring practicality and convenience into your laundry room, mudroom, or washroom with this complete utility tub set. The large 19-gallon sink is constructed from high-quality, durable thermoplastic to accommodate all your scrubbing and soaking needs. Use the pull-out nozzle on the faucet to direct the water where you want it to go, or move the spout out of the way completely so you can easily wash your bulky items. Box includes everything necessary for most standard installations, including stainless steel supply lines to hook up the hot and cold water, plastic drainage kit, P-trap, nuts, and washers, rubber stopper, non-metallic faucet, tub, legs with levelers, thread seal tape and easy-to-follow installation instructions. Sturdy rust-proof metal legs attach easily, and the included floor levelers increase stability on uneven surfaces. 1-year limited warranty. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Work doesn't stand a chance with this classic black utility sink. Adds practicality to any laundry room, mudroom, washroom, service closet or workshop. Match your black washer and dryer or darker decor. Complete tub kit includes black tub, non-metallic double-handle pull-out faucet, adjustable leveler legs, stainless steel supply lines, PVC pipe drain connection with P-trap, thread tape, washers, nuts, and rubber drain stopper plug. Number 2. Stream OR spray pull-out faucet included offers, even more, uses for the tub. Use as a slop sink and hose down soiled play clothes or filthy job uniforms before washing. Fill a cleaning bucket with hot water without having to hold the heavy pail up to the faucet. Or use it as a small dog grooming bathtub. Adjust the foot levelers to the perfect height and level the tub on bumpy or uneven surfaces. Perfect for an unfinished basement or garage. Number 3. Multi-purpose for home or commercial use. Functions perfectly as the traditional place to drain overflow water from your washing machine or the spot to quickly drop in a dirty mop, cleaning brushes, and rags. Stage your cleanups and fix your worst messes. The small ledge on the faucet side can be a shelf or holder for a sponge, bar of soap, or other cleaning product. It's a great complement to a remodeling job or light construction. Number 4. Virtually indestructible laundry tub design with molded and drain. Made from heavy-duty thermoplastic. Rust and stain resistant for your dirtiest jobs. Rugged and meant to fill lots of needs and uses. Base intended to function standalone but if desired can be bolted to the floor using pre-cut holes at the bottom of the leg levelers. Floor mount hardware not included. Number 5. Straightforward setup and installation. Easy to assemble and install with clear illustrated step-by-step instructions. Installed dimensions are 22 7/8 inches wide, 23 3/8 inches deep, 33 3/4 inches high, with legs. Black finish. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How much weight will the tub hold? Answer. The tub should be able to hold up to 250 pounds. Question number 2. How does the sink attach to the wall? Answer. This sink is not meant to be attached to the wall without the legs on it. You may attach this sink to the wall only if you keep the legs attached to the sink as well. A wall bracket is needed to attach this sink to the wall and can be purchased at your nearest hardware store. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.